I'm Michael Meredith.
I'm Tyler Meredith.
And I'm Ella Meredith.
And we're the three Meredith.
Meredith.
Today we're cooking our fish pie. It has a little bit of family history, a little family secret recipe. For us growing up in New Zealand, we sort of developed it quite early because we used to go fishing quite a bit. You know, I grew up in the Pacific Islands. It was a very family-orientated scenario for us, and I guess you learn to cook at an early age. Now when I cook with the girls, you want to bring that into them, start them early and they're interested in it. Ella, after you grate the cheese, you can help me make the sauce, okay?
Yay.
Cooking or doing something together in the kitchen always brings us together, so it's nice to share those moments. Chaos at times, but organized chaos.
I like cooking with you. Like when you're not like bossy, that's fun.
When I'm cooking with them, I always not try to boss them too much. But it's hard when you try to get something done, you know? You think you can do it faster than that?
No.
With these two ovens that we're using, you can easily bring that sort of professional element of cooking to my Miele kitchen at home. The steam oven using has simplified the recipe by tenfolds. The potatoes are steamed beautifully, then it's easier to mash. Put some muscle into it, Talia. Muscle. Then the next step, we're using the steam combination oven, where we're gonna finish it off nicely crispy top. We'll just set the temperature at 180, and then with the crumbing that goes on the top, it comes up perfectly. The texture is incredible. And trust me, you won't have a better result. Here we go. Ouch. The more they cook with you, the easier it gets. So maybe years to come, I can just sit back and let them cook. Well, that's the idea, isn't it?